All right, here's a question. It asks you to find the line of symmetry and the max or min, and then draw a rough sketch of the graph. So to find the line of symmetry, you need to find the vertex. So this quadratic function is actually already in vertex format. So the vertex you can get is, from this one you change that sign, so it'll be -2, and this will be the y-coordinate of the vertex, so it's -5. So that's a vertex, so the line of symmetry will be x equals the x value. And the max or min is going to be y is equal to -5, but you have to tell which of those it is. So looking back at the graph, the value of a is negative, therefore the graph will be upside down. And so here will be the vertex, -2 and -5, so therefore there's going to be a maximum. So the maximum will be y is equal to -5. I guess you could put the point is -2 and -5, but the highest y value that the graph can be to is -5. To draw a rough sketch, you could say -2 and -5 right about there, and the graph opens up down. Other things you could do is you could look for x-intercepts, which of course in this one there won't be any because the graph won't cross the x-axis. You could also look for a y-intercept. To figure out the y-intercept, it didn't ask for that, but if you wanted to, you'd just plug in a 0 everywhere you see an x, and then solve. Yeah. So 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 squared is 4, 4 times -3 is -12, -5, so it'd be -17. So it would cross at -17. All right, hopefully that helps you out.